All right, we are going to do both DMRs in the same video. So we're going to find the volume of our prism described in the situation. Remember, volume is length times width times height, or it's the area of the base and then you multiply by the height. Same thing here. Length times width is that area of the base, then you multiply by the height. Same thing. So if we have a desk that's 1.5 feet wide, 5 feet long, it's 3 feet above the floor, what's the volume of that space under the desk? So we are going to take 1.5 feet, 5 feet, and 3 feet, and we are going to multiply them. So we have 1.5 or 1.5 times 5 times 3. I will allow, if you want to put it in a calculator, you can do 1.5 times 5 and then multiply that by 3 and you will get 22.5. So over in our answer over here, you're going to have 22.5. And you can put feet, and it's going to be feet cubed to the third power because it is a 3D space that we are finding the volume of. We're finding the volume of the 3D part. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the next one, the next DMR. So our next DMR number 2, we're going to find the inner quartile range of this graph. Remember, all you have to do is take that quartile 3 and subtract quartile 1. So this graph here, the Mountain View Ski Resort kept track of the number of visitors that they had each weekend during their busy season. This box plot is showing the results of the amount of visitors. So we are going to take our upper quartile. Let's do like this. So we're going to take quartile 3, and then we're going to subtract quartile 1. So 1 is the first part of the box. Here's 2, the middle, the median. And 3 is the second part of that box. In between 6,000 and 8,000, you have 7,000. So we are going to take 7,000. We are going to subtract 4,000 because that's quartile 1. Quartile 3, quartile 1. And we will get 0, 0, 0, 3. So the inner quartile range is 3,000. You don't have to put that comma if you don't want. But that is going to be it. Let's put this back. That's going to be it for the DMR 1 and 2. Great job.